Hello everyone, welcome to the SEO episode 13. So today I'm going to talk about why SEO audit is so important for your website and how you can perform an SEO audit of your website. So first of all, I'm telling you that you can do the SEO audit of your website, which helps you to check the SEO of your website or your
It's
client's
12
website.
o'clock.
It will tell you about the on-page SEO. So after this you can get the report and check where your competitor is losing as well as you are winning too. So SEO involves the research and analysis. Among the first step to improving your site's SEO ranking requires what's known as an SEO discovery and audit session. It helps to determine which of your web pages are ranking as per target keywords, which were are not, and what needs to be done to improve the overall performance. So you can think that SEO audit is so important for your website. So let's see how we can perform the SEO audit of our website, or we can say our competitor website. So first of all you have to go to Google and you have to write only website SEO audit. So you can find a lot of free as well as paid tools. So I will prefer you to use this website SEO optimizer, which is really cool website, and it will only tell you about the basic SEO that is so important for our website. So you can find a great list of the SEO points here. So let this website to load. So you can see the website loads. So let's copy our competitor website. We can say it's mm, which topic we can choose. We can choose mobile reviews. So we are not going to pick the first website. We will go to the 10th page and find a website like this. uh, so we can perform a review check here. After this you have to put the URL in this and then click on analyze. It will take some moments, and after this you can see the complete review of the website. So it is telling us you have 0 improvement recommendations, and right now it's turned into 7, 8, 10th, and 83% of a website analysis is complete. So let it finish up to 100%. So you can see this website ranked this page as B negative. So it tells us that if this website have 16 improvements, then this website can rank more in the SERP results. So this website gives the B negative in the SEO, A in the usability, E positive in the performance, A plus in the social and security. You can download it as a PDF, and after this, if you scroll down, you can see the complete results of your website, and here you can find the different options that will directly take you to that. Okay, so we can see it this website doesn't have a title tag. Meta description is there, header are there. uh, the most important thing that why this website is not telling you about the title tag, because you can see in the heading section there is no h1 tag. Okay, after this you can find the keywords. So this website also helps you to find the top keywords that your website competitor is using, so you can use that keywords in your website. This website is not having any image alt attributes, so this thing can help you in improving your website. You can see this website has a lot of external links and its most authority is 84. On page link structure is only 4% of the links are external, so it's cool. Broken links, there are two broken links. Friendly URLs are not there. Robotics file is there. Google Analytics is placed. So overall you can see your website speed here, server response, all page content load. So this is very important section for the beginners, so you have to focus on this. So here is the complete audit of your website. So you can also place a Fiverr gig on that you will perform a complete SEO audit of their website with the recommendations, because you can see here is the tab with the recommendations. So the social recommendations, mobile user interface, performance, SEO and security, same as well. You can see the performance of your website here. So you can make a gig on the Fiverr and you can also earn money from this. So I think you may like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.